Hi everyone, my name is Scott and this is VideoMic Pro. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so now. It is VideoMic Pro. Click the bell so that you will get the notifications from my channel as well. Today I'm going to unbox this VideoMic Go. It is from Røde and it is Australian actually. So I have the package just in front of me, as you can see here. So I'm just going to grab it and show it to you a little bit closer. This is a shotgun microphone. It is a lightweight on-camera microphone, and as you can see, it has a 2-year warranty. It has a integrated Rycote lyre suspension, and there is not required. It is not required to have a battery, and it is very lightweight. So that's really nice. As you can see here, it should deliver a clear and crisp directional audio with incredible ease of use. So let's give it a go. All right. Come on. There we go. Let's see what's inside here. Well, to begin with, it's really nice. I really like it. There we go. Oh yeah, it really is rather. Let me just focus on this one for a second. There we go. It's really lightweight and it's really nice. Let's see here. See if we can get a real close look on it. Yeah. So the microphone is actually just going in there into this one. It says here, made in Australia, really nice. Got the suspension and everything, and it got the hot shoe, so you can actually put it into the hot shoe on the camera. All right. So that was one thing. Let me just see what this is. Okay, there we go. This is just the manual, of course. Not much of a manual is needed. We need to plug in the cable that I have on my right hand here into the microphone and then into the camera. And there we go. See, it's really nice actually. It's like, yeah, it's extendable. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to plug it in here. There we go. And then I will, what will I do now? I will actually try to pop it onto my camera here and then change it and to see if the sound is getting any better. So just hold on a second, I will disconnect. Okay, I'm going to fix it here. All right, there we go. Oh, perfect. It's actually really easy to fix. So now I'm just going to connect it to my camera, so I'm going to take the other microphone out for a second. Alright, I just changed it and it is on my camera, and I'm going to do like a sound test. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to disconnect it again and put in the old microphone and see what's the difference. See, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This is actually the microphone of the camera itself. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This is my usual microphone. So I think that was it. I hope that you enjoyed it. And remember again, subscribe to my channel, VideoMic Pro, and click the bell. And look forward to give you some future videos. Thank you and bye.